Hello, my name is Itala Seminario and I'm a Bachelor at Economics and International Business at UCIL. Currently, I'm working in an insurance company named Cafaz and I'm in the position of Business Information Support Analyst. UCIL taught me how to understand consumer thoughts and what they prefer, also to be able to analyze financial statements. Also, UCIL taught me how to find new opportunities at the national and international market. UCIL has a bilingual curriculum that helps students to have more and better labor opportunities. So UCIL has the top qualified professors because they have a good academic certificate. So come here to UCIL.